Did you know the most famous art thief in history was never caught? For over 40 years, Stefan Breitwieser stole nearly 300 priceless artworks from museums across Europe. His method was brilliant in its simplicity. He dressed like a tourist, walked into museums with his girlfriend. While she distracted guards, he would slip paintings under his coat or hide sculptures in his bag. No alarms, no breaking and entering. Just walked right out the front door. He stole works by Picasso, Renoir, and Bruegel, pieces worth over $2 billion. Breitwieser kept everything in his mother's attic. He said he stole for love, not money. But in 2001, museum guards finally caught him red-handed with a stolen bugle. When police searched his home, they found his incredible collection. But here's the shocking part. His mother had already destroyed most of the stolen art. She threw paintings in the canal and put sculptures in the garbage. Centuries of priceless culture lost forever because of one panicked mother.